Okay, so now it's coming to the end of my upgrades as far as the suspension on Freedom 2 or my motorhome. Now you can see I put a plate over here with a tie rod that goes to a plate over here. Now the thing is, when you do this, okay, now it's not tightened down yet, not tightened down yet, but when you do this, I'll tell you the hardest part for me was these bolts right here. I spent days doing that because, I mean, it's easy enough when you have just this piece here, but when you add this right here, in between with the spring action of this and things wiggling around, it was hard as blank to get these bolts in. But it took a little time, wiggling, patience, which you got to remember, patience, because I screwed one of these up, and then I spent days trying to repair that fix, what I did. But now everything seems to be working okay. Everything seems to be lining up. See, because you have this over here, the balance of the other side. And, well, actually, it's almost done. And as I said, patience is the key. The instructions will tell you 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, 1 to 2 hours. And that's right. It would take 1 to 2 hours to do this job. But trying to get those bolts in right over here, those two, 1, 2, 3, 4, trying to get those in was such a pain because they have they already have bolts welded on the other side, or nuts, my mistake, nuts welded on the other side. So you have to have it all lined up, wiggling, jiggling, tap tap here and a tap tap there, in order to get the silly things to line up so you can actually put the bolt in. But the job is done. All that's left for me is to tighten it up, and we're good to go. We're going to take a test ride maybe today or tomorrow. I'm kind of tired, and it's getting starting to get a little sticky outside. And, oh, by the way, happy 4th. Boo!